Good afternoon, student. Now in this lecture we are going to see Python programming in detail. Now first of all, let's see how to start Python programming. Now first click on your start button, then double click on your Python IDE. So now your Python shell will be open. So this is your Python shell. Now we are going to open script mode. First of all, you have to click on file tab, then you have to click on new file. Otherwise you can press Ctrl+N. Now see, this is your script mode. This is your script mode. Here font size is very small. That's why if you want to increase the font size in Python, then you have to go in option. In your option menu, select the configure IDE. Now click on here. Now here you can set font style. You can see here many more font size are given, and here the font size is given. By default font size is 10. Now I am going to click on your bold. That means your font size will be bold. And now increase the font size. Here you are going to set font size as 16, and from here you can, I am going to set 34. Now I think this is too large, so set it 25. Now click on apply button. Now click on OK. So see, your font will be increased and easily visible to screen. Now here in previous lecture we have seen how to set the identifier and how to define identifier in the Python, and how to code the program from taking the input from the user, and how to display output from the display window. Now here in this video we are going to see some program. Now our first program is write a program to print perimeter of circle or square. Now for what? And in this program you have to take the input from the user. You are not going to suppose any input from the developer in by self. आप अपने से कोई इनपुट नहीं एज्यूम करेंगे, आपको यहाँ से सारे वैल्यूज यूजर से इनपुट कराना है. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, टू कैलकुलेट पेरीमीटर ऑफ स्क्वायर. Perimeter of square is 4 into side. Then you have to input the value of side from the user. Now take a variable name side. Side equal to, now int input enter the side of square. So now here we have taken a input from the user. This is the square. That means side is represented by a in mathematical language. A equal to, a is the side, int input enter the side of square. Now here you can see that input is a function input is a function used to take input is a function used to take value or receive value from user. Now in the second line here int, what is the work of int? Because input take by default string type of value, by default take the in string format. So because side is the number, the value of side is a string, cannot be a string, because value of side is 10 meters, 20 meters, this is the numerical value. Then that's why you have to typecast, converge. In next some upcoming lecture we are going to see about the typecasting. Now here int is used to convert string value in number format, in number type value or number format. This process is called typecasting or type conversion. So in later class we are going to see this. Now here we have taken the value of side from the user. Now we have to calculate perimeter of square. Now perimeter equal to 4 into 4 into a. Now we have to display the output to the user. To display output to the user we have to use print function. Now print perimeter. Yeah, this is the perimeter, and while we are going to print the number value, we should not use the quotes, single quote or double quote. Now we are going to save this program by clicking Ctrl+S from your keyboard. Now see, this is your now save py program, basic one .py. .py is your extension of Python file. You must have suffix .py after file name. Now save the program. After saving the program, you can check this is shown on your title bar. Now you can run the program by clicking run option and run module. Otherwise you can press simply F5 from your keyboard. Now see, this is your output. Enter the side of square is displayed. Suppose that we are going to enter the side as 4. Now press enter. See the output. Output is 16. 4 into 4. That's why this is 16. Now this is your program to calculate perimeter of square. Now in second program, suppose that we are going to write a program to print SI for some principal amount. Now we are going to print simple interest. SI, that means simple interest. to print simple interest, we have to find out, take the input from the user as P, that means principal amount, R that means rate, and T that means time. So now first take the input from the user, P equal to int input enter the principal amount, enter the principal amount. Enter the principal amount. This is your now. By taking this similar way, we have to take the rate. Now enter the rate. This will going to store in R. Similarly, we have to take the value of time. This will going to store in T. PRT as the variable. Now we are going to calculate SI. Calculate SI equal to P into R. P into R into T upon 100. So use bracket because this is standard way to calculate the value. Now divided by 100. Now print SI is equal to SI. Now save this program, and if you want to ignore this output of this parameter, then you have to comment these all program. Now using multi-line comment, we have used comment these all things. Now run the program, run module. So now enter the principal amount. Principal amount is suppose that 1000. Now enter the rate, suppose 2%, and time is 3 years. Now calculate the, suppose time is 5 years. Now calculate the SI. SI is 100. You can check it if you are going to calculate SI. First of all, divide it 100. That means 10 into 2 and 5. 5 to the 10, 10 10 the 100. This is your program how to calculate the simple interest using Python programming language. Now I hope you have understand these two programs. Now in this next lecture we are going to see further next program. So thank you for today and have a nice day.